September 2nd, part 2. Rich is going to take the cart back. We got more stuff packed in the old in the old storage here. We still got tons of room. We can go up, 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 up. Look how high up we can go. We can go up, up, up too. So eventually, probably be better off to lean this thing up against the wall more than likely. But we needed to get the rack out of the garage because unless or we'd put it back in the trailer. But for right now, best to just get rid of it and get it out of there. Might need that to go to Granton in October. We're gonna have to if we're gonna take 3 carts. We always put one in the back of the truck. I mean, vintage car will fit right in the back of the truck, doors closed and everything. So look at that.
But not this one.
So here we are at the
storage unit.
At the storage unit, about 25 minutes north of where I live and Rich lives.
For the second time today.
Yeah, we drove
got the key.
all the way here, got inside where we park, and I realized I forgot the key. So let's not leave the key in the...
Yeah.
Okay, shut her down. Right, we're good?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Cool. We're heading on it. So this was actually a good trip. When we got here and I forgot the keys, say 45 minutes ago, an hour ago, there was 2 or 3, 4 cars parked in here when we came in. This time there was nobody here but us. So it's nice. The first couple times we've been here, this place was so packed that there was a line outside that door waiting to get in, and that's never a good thing when you got to wait for 50, 60 people to get in and out in front of you. Well, it wasn't really 50 or 60 people, but they took up everything in here. There was 6 or 8 cars, a couple big U-Hauls in here. Everything was just kind of...
Was this you?
Yeah. So these folks here are good folks. They pull all the way forward. The reason we didn't pull forward is, one, there was nobody else here but us, and our aisleway was that one right straight behind us there. So
you got plenty of room over here, bud.
Okay. Out we go. You get to pull right in.
Dump your stuff.
Yeah, and we're first floor, completely climate controlled. Of course, they have rules about gas and oil and all that stuff, but we don't follow those. What they don't know won't hurt them. We don't have any gas or any fuel in there. Obviously, the Briggsies in there still got oil in it. I'm not going to drain the oil out of it.
Just like parking your lawnmower and there's oil in it.
I'm going to end up eventually probably put my bike in there for the winter. You take the battery out because, just sitting in Rich's garage without having the trickle charger on it.
And it's still
and not riding it. Yeah, my brand new battery is probably fried. So we'll end up riding the bike up here, and we'll ride around the back side of the building where we just came out, and I'll let the bike cool off and whatever, sit back there. Rich can smoke cigarettes or whatever, and we'll just sneak it in the back door and roll it right on into our storage space there and store it for the winter. Because as you saw, those first couple garage...
Did you shut that back window?
Garage doors. Yeah, the glass. Yeah, the glass is shut. Those first couple garage doors on the left when we pulled in, those are 60 feet long. So people are parking like hot rods and
all kinds of
nice
cool
cars where there could be boats in there on a trailer. Who knows what they could have in there. And I'll guarantee you, if somebody drives a classic car up and parks it, they're not draining the gas and the oil outside and then pushing it in. They pull it right in. So we're not doing anything that anybody else isn't doing. So that's part due. We're done and done. I'm going to try to keep Rich calm as we fight the traffic on the way back. This is going to be,
because I don't have no cigarettes.
Second return trip. Yeah, I don't let him smoke in my truck. So he gets a little edgy.
You got to lock and load for the way home.
Yeah, he gets a little nervous
wound up
with the other folks that are on the road with us here. So that's it for today. Loading up the stuff in the storage unit, cleaning up the garage, my place and his place, give us both a little bit more room. I'm going to be bringing the the Yamaha pipe kart that Richie cleaned up, the chassis he cleaned up back to my house to do a little welding, a little engineering. We want to be able to, we're going to move the brake master cylinders from the outside on the chassis to between your feet, between your legs, like we do on all of our karts. Put the pedals in the center instead of on the outside of the porch, keeps your feet tight together. And we're going to make the pedals and brake master cylinders and everything slide and make it adjustable, because his legs are 2 inches shorter than mine.
Yeah.
But other than that, from the jewel area up, body length is about the same, headrest about the same. You know, we like the steering wheel in the same place. So just being able to move the pedals, I'll be able to get in it and then be able to just, you know, remove a bolt or pull a pin, move the whole system rearward, put it all back together, and then he can get in it and go too. So that's the idea. But heading home now. That was a full day.
Yep.
2 trips out here. Was it with this traffic and all this stuff, was just, it was a full day, and we're done and done. So I'm Robert.
I'm Richard.
And we're the Lawson Brothers.
You know it.
And we'll check y'all later. God bless.
Right. God bless.
Hang in there. We're praying for you.
Yes, indeed.